Hello everyone, this is Rahul Mandal 20CS30039. This is my third DIY assignment. In this, we were asked to open any home appliances or electrical devices, to disassemble it and to reassemble it. So now you can see here there is a mouse. We are going to disassemble it, understand about it, and we will reassemble it. So you can see basically it is currently in a working condition. The light is glowing and it is currently in a working condition. So now we will be disassembling it. As you can see, this is the inside of the mouse. So basically this is the scroll bar which we use to scroll up and down. We will be opening it. So this is made up of plastic and the rubber. Here you can see this is the left mouse button, this is the right mouse button, this is the scroll button which we press. So there is a clicking sound here. So here you can see the small ones. These are the capacitors and these are the resistors. This is a big capacitor, this is a light, and this is the sensor. So basically when you drag the mouse, this sensor senses it and try to interpret the direction. This is the LED. So here you can see the wire of different colors which may be of power, the light, and the wire for the sensor. So these are made up of plastics, this is glass. All the capacitors and the resistors are soldered on this board. Now I will be putting it back. Now as you can see, the LED is working. The mouse is working. This registers the sensor registers the direction of the mouse, direction of the drag of the mouse, in which direction we are dragging. So this is all I've got. Now I will be reassembling it. You can see the mouse is working.